Folks, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone, and in this video I'm teaching you guys how to draw a number of equal circles in a regular polygon to touch each other at one side of the polygon. So in this case you need to draw the polygon first. So in this case let's use a pentagon. Yes, let's use a hexagon again because it's quite easy to draw. So you use a hexagon. So you can use any polygon. You can use any polygon you want to use using any construction method you prefer. So but I prefer hexagon so it doesn't waste too much time. So you just cut upwards, cut downwards, cut upwards, cut downwards. So then we have to draw this line. Yeah. So this is the hexagon. There we go. So now this is our hexagon. Now the next step is to radiate lines from the center of the polygon to each corner. So now you radiate from the center to each of the corners. So you can see it's actually simple. It's a simple process for the hexagon. And that's why I drew a hexagon. It's quite simple. Now you need to bisect each of the sides. So when you bisect each of the sides, they are supposed to pass through the center. So let's bisect. So for this process, we only need to bisect 3 because the hexagon has 6 sides and it's symmetrical, so we only bisect 3. So you won't see that this process it becomes simpler when you use the same radius for bisecting them. So you can just continue from here. For this second one, you can just continue here with that same radius, no need of adjusting anything. Cut on this side, on this side. You can just continue from here. Then for the last one, cut on this side, cut on this side. So finally, let's draw the perpendicular bisectors. These are the bisectors, the second bisectors. So you can see it passes through the center. Let's draw the third bisector. This is the third one, also passes through the center of the circle. So now, as you can see, in the process of bisecting this, we are also bisecting the opposite sides. So after bisecting each side, you bisect angle. So you bisect the angle that is between the center, then the center, one of the edges. So let's say center O. Bisect the angle between O and this edge, and also between so as you can see, I've actually used the same method to draw these circles. So this is for drawing 6 circles in a hexagon. If it were 5 sides, to be 5 circles in a pentagon. If it were 10, to be 10 circles in a decagon. So all you need to do is, to recap the procedure, all you need to do is you just need to draw your polygon. You join each of the sides. You join each of the centers to the vertex of the polygon, and then you bisect the angle between the center and the vertex and one side. Then you draw a circle between that the center and the intersection of that. Then that will be the center of your circles. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you next episode.